So once if you find out AB, AC and A plus B plus C, then you can easily simplify this. So while multiplying these type of matrices, just verify the order and whether it is possible to multiply it or not, check. If you apply Pythagoras theorem, you can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of Mathematics Revision class. I am Mr. Niranjan, Faculty, Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Now, today in this session, I am going to discuss regarding very important questions, that is very important part D. So, in part D, all 5 marks questions, 10 questions are there. In that, you are going to answer for 5 questions. Answer any 5 out of 10, each carries 5 marks. Now, this is very important part. Now, answer any 5 out of 10 questions. So, each carries 5 marks. 5 into 5 is 25. Now, the first question number 49 is from relations and function. Let f from n to r be a function defined by f of x is equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Show that f from n to s, where s is the range of the function. S is the range of the function. F is invertible. Find the inverse of f. So, just we have to verify whether it is invertible or not. That is a bijective function. So, verify whether f of x is 1, 1 and onto or not. Verify first 1, 1 function, then onto, and then find out the inverse. That's it. Now, what is given? F of x is equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Right. Now, just to find 1, 1 function, let f of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is f of x1? 4x1 square plus 12x1 plus 15 is equal to 4x2 square plus 12x2 plus 15. Transfer plus 15 minus 15 gets cancelled. 4x1 square minus 4x2 square, one group, plus 12x1 minus 12x2 is equal to 0, another group. So, here you can take 4 common factor, x1 minus x2 whole square. Here 12 common factor, x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. This can be written as 4 into x1 plus x2 into x1 minus x2, because this is of the form a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, plus 12 into x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. So, you can take x1 minus x2 common factor into 4 times x1 plus x2 plus 12 is equal to 0. So, x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. So, therefore, f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies, if x1 minus x2 is equal to 0 means x1 is equal to x2, implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f of x is 1, 1 function. The first part is finished. So, f of x is 1, 1 function. Okay. Now, to verify onto function, let f of x is equal to y. Let f of x is equal to y for all y belongs to R. Now, what is f of x? F of x is nothing but 4x square plus 12x plus 15 is equal to 5. By using the completing square, so this can be written as 2x square plus 12x can also be written as 2 into 2x into 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, plus again this is 15 can be written as 9 plus 6 is equal to y. Now, if you observe carefully, this is 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3 plus 9 can be written as 3 square is equal to y minus 6. If you observe carefully, this is of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is nothing but 2x plus 3 whole square is equal to y minus 6, or 2x plus 3 is equal to square root of y minus 6, or 2x is equal to square root of y minus 6 minus 3, or x is equal to root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2 belongs to R, such that f of y, so f of x, that is nothing but f of root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to f of x is equal to y, which belongs to R. So, therefore, f of x is onto function. That's it. F of x is onto function. So if you do this much, you will get 4 marks. Now, since f is both 1, 1, so f of x is both 1, 1 and onto, both 1, 1 and onto. Therefore, f is an invertible function. Invertible function. So to find f inverse, let f inverse of y is equal to x, which implies f of x is equal to y. So since if you simplify this, what you are going to get, f of x is equal to y yields to this f of x is equal to, so what you will get on simplification, let f of x is equal to this, you will get x is equal to, on simplification, x is equal to root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. Therefore, substitute the value of x. What is x we have taken? So, therefore, x is nothing but f inverse of y. F inverse of y is equal to root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. Yes, is the inverse of the given function. That's it. Okay. So, this is the inverse. This is how we are going to find the inverse for the given function. Now, move on to the next problem. This is very important from matrices. If A is equal to 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, 7, minus 8, 0, B, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, C, 2, minus 2, 3, calculate AC, BC and A plus B plus C and verify that A plus B plus C is equal to AC plus BC. So, once if you find out AB, AC and A plus B plus C, then you can easily simplify this. Now, let me do this. First, find out A plus B. Add this. If you add 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, minus 5, again 0, 10, 7 plus 1 is 8, then minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6, 0 plus 0 is 0. Just I will find out A plus B. Now, just find out LHS. What is LHS? A plus B into C. What is A plus B? 0, 7, 8, minus 5, 0, 10, 8, minus 6, 0 into C. What is C? 2, minus 2 and 3. Simplify. This is first row, first column. So, this is A plus B into C. A plus B is this and I will take the left hand side A plus B plus C. So, while multiplying these type of matrices, just verify the order and whether it is possible to multiply it or not, check. So, these two are equal. So, we are going to get a matrix of order 3 rows, 1 column. So, 0 into 2 is 0, 7 2s are 14, again 8 3s are 24, 5 2s are 10, minus 10, plus 0, 8 3s are again second row, 5 2s are 10, 0, 10 3s are 30, this is 30, again 8 2s are 16, minus into minus plus, 6 2s are 12 plus 0. This is equal to 10. 30 minus 10 is 20. Again 16 plus 12 is 28. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Okay. Now move on to the second part. Second part is find out AC and BC. So AC. What is A? 067 into minus 608, minus 608, 7 minus 8 0, 7 minus 8 0 into 2 minus 2 3. So, this is also same, first row, first column. 0, 6 2s are 12, 7 3s are 21, 6 2s are 12 plus 0, 8 3s are 24, again 7 2s are 14, minus into minus plus 6 plus 0. This is equal to 21 minus 12 is 9, 24 minus 12 is 12, again 16 plus 14 is 30. This is AC is concerned. Now, what is to find AC after AC? Find out BC, B into C. Now, BC. What is B? B is 0 1 1, 0 1 1 into 1 0 2, 1 0 2 and 1 2 0, 1 2 0 into 2 minus 2 and 3. Same, simplify, first row, first column. 0, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. 1 2s are 2, 0, 2 3s are 6. 1 2s are 2, minus 4 plus 0. What is this equal to? 1, 8 and minus 2. So now add this. This is BC is concerned. Now RHS. RHS, is it RHS? No, yes, RHS. RHS, AC plus BC. What is AC? 9, 12, 30 plus 1, 8 minus 2. So if you add 10, 20 and 28. This is equation number 2. So what do you say from equation number 1 and 2? So from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. That's it. So if you solve this much, definitely you will get a 5 marks. This is an important type problem. Now move on to the next problem. Solve the following system of equation by matrix method. This is also very important. So just check whether the given equation in order or not. X, Y, Z constant, X, Y, Z constant, X, Y, Z constant. Now let us write the matrix A is equal to coefficient of X, Y, Z. Coefficient of X is 1, Y is minus 1, Z is 1. In the second equation, coefficient of X is 1, Y is 1, Z is 1. Here the coefficient of X is 2, Y is 1, Z is minus 3. And capital B is nothing but the constant 4, 2 and 0. And X is nothing but capital X is equal to X, Y and Z, which is to be determined. The solution. What is the solution? The solution is X is equal to A inverse into B. And what is A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 over determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now just find out the determinant of A first. Determinant of this 1, 1, 2, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 3. Expand with respect to first row. 1 into 1 3s are 3, minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 into 1 3s are 3, minus 2, plus 1 into, this is gone, 1 1s are 1, minus 2. So this is 1 into minus 4, plus 1 into minus 5, plus 1 into minus 1. Minus 4, minus 5, minus 1, that's equal to minus 10, not equal to 0. So A inverse exists. Just go on finding the cofactors. Now cofactors for the matrix. Now the signs are plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus and plus. Now write down the cofactor. Cofactor for the first element. 1. Cofactor of 1 is equal to, this row column is gone. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 minus 1. That's equal to minus 4. Similarly, cofactor for the second element. Minus 1, it is negative. This row column is gone. 1 3s are 3, minus 2. That's equal to minus of minus is plus 5. Similarly, the cofactor for 1 is equal to, this row and column is gone. 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1 minus 2, minus 2. That's equal to minus 1. So these are the cofactors for first row. Similarly, for the second row. Now I will write the matrix. Determinant of A is equal to determinant 1 1 2 1 1 2 and minus 1 1 1 and 1 1 1 1 minus 3. And the signs plus minus plus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus and plus. Now just cofactor of second row. 1 is equal to this row and column is gone. Minus into minus plus 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3 minus 1. The sign is negative. That's equal to minus 2. Similarly, cofactor of 1 is this row column is gone. 1 3s are 3 minus 3, 1 3s are 3 minus 2 1s are 2. That's equal to minus 5. And the cofactor for 1 is negative. This row column is gone. Row and column is gone. 1 1s are 1. Minus into minus plus 2, that's equal to minus 3. Similarly, for the last row, cofactors for 2. 2 is equal to, the sign is positive, this row column is gone. Minus 1, that's equal to minus 2. And the cofactor of 1 is negative. This row and column is united. 1 1s are 1 minus 1. That's equal to 0. And the last element, cofactor for minus 3 is This row column is gone. 1 minus into minus plus 2. So now therefore the adjoint of A, I will straight away write the adjoint of the matrix. What is the first row? In first row we have minus 4, 5, minus 4, 5, minus 1. Second row minus 2, minus 5, minus 3, and last row minus 2, 0 and 2. So therefore A inverse is equal to 1 over determinant of A. 1 over determinant of A into adjoint of A. What is determinant of A? Determinant of A is 10. Minus 1 over 10 into minus 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 5, minus 3, minus 2, 0, 2. Now just find out the solution. What is the solution? X is equal to x, y, z. The solution x, y, z is equal to 1 over 10 into minus 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 5, 0, minus 3, 2 into D. X is equal to A inverse B. A inverse of B. What is B? B is 420. 420. Multiply this first row, first column. You will get minus 1 over 10 into 4 4s are 16, 2 2s are 4, minus 0. 5 4s are 20, minus 5 2s are 10, plus 0. 1 4s are 4, minus 3 2s are 6, plus 0. This is minus 1 over 10 times. Minus 16 minus 4 is minus 20. 20 minus 10 is plus 10. Minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10. So if we divide, what you will get? So minus 10, 20 by minus 10, minus into minus plus, 20 by 10 is 2. Minus into plus it is minus. Minus into minus plus it is. So therefore, the value of x, y, z, x, y, z is equal to 2 minus 1 and plus 1. So you can write, therefore x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to plus 1. So if you want to verify, you can verify. Just take this any one of the equation, substitute x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus, minus into minus plus, plus 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is correct. This is the correct answer. Now move on to the next problem. Now this is very simple problem and very important. Second derivative. Y is equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. Show that x square y2 plus xy1 plus y is equal to 0. Now let us represent this as equation number 1. Y is equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. Let us represent this as equation 1. Differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Dy by dx is equal to 3 into differentiation of cos is minus sin log x into d by dx of log x is 1 over x plus 4 differentiation of sin is cos log x into differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Just multiply by x. Multiply by x on both sides. X into dy by dx is equal to minus 3 sin log x, x and x gets cancelled, plus 4 times cos of log x, x and x gets cancelled. Now again differentiate this. Differentiating with respect to x again on both sides. What happens? So this is, if you differentiate, this is product rule, UV method. First function into, I'll differentiate here. First function, x into differentiation of dy by dx is d square y by dx square, plus second function dy by dx into differentiation of x is 1. And right hand side minus 3 as it is. Differentiation of sin is cos log x into d by dx of log x is 1 over x. Again differentiation of cos is minus sin. So this is minus 4 sin log x and differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Again multiply by x. Multiply by x on both sides. So x into x is x square d square y by dx square plus x into 1 is x dy by dx is equal to, you can take minus constant, minus out common factor, cos of log x, x and x gets cancelled, minus into minus plus 4 sin of log x, x and x gets cancelled. Now if you observe carefully, this is x square into d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx is equal to minus y from equation number 1. What is y? Y is nothing but 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. Bring this to the left hand side. So therefore, this is x square into d square y by dx square is x2 plus x into dy by dx is x1 and minus y becomes plus y is equal to 0. See, x square into y2 dy by dx is y1 plus y. X square y2 plus xy1 plus y is equal to 0 is the required answer. Now, move on to the next problem. This is also a very important problem. A ladder, this is application of derivative. Now, a ladder of 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeters per second. How fast is the height of the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meters away from the wall? So, this is also a very important problem. Here, this is the ground and this is the wall. This is a wall, and this is the ground, right? A ladder. This is the ladder. What is given? A ladder of 5 meters long. Let us represent this as A, B and C. This is X and this is Y. So, a ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. This is the wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate. So, the bottom is nothing but dx by dt. Dx by dt is equal to 2 centimeters per second. How fast is the height of the wall? That is dy by dt is to be determined. Dy by dt is the question mark. When the foot of the ladder is this, x is equal to 4 centimeters away from the wall, right? Now, so from triangle ABC, if you apply Pythagoras theorem, you can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So, what is AC square? Phi square is equal to AB. AB is equal to y square and BC is equal to x square. So, we can write x square plus y square is equal to 25. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Right. So, x square plus y square is equal to 25. Just substitute the value of x. What is x here? X is equal to 4 meters. You will get the value of y. Right. And differentiate it. You will get the required answer. That's it. Just from this, what is y square? Y square is equal to 25 minus x square. 25 minus, put x is equal to 4, that is 16, 9. So, y is equal to 3. So, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 3. Differentiate this. X square plus y square is equal to 25. Differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Differentiation of x square is 2x into dx by dt plus y square is 2y dy by dt is equal to 0. 2 into, what is x? When x is equal to 4 dx by dt. What is dx by dt? 2 centimeters plus 2 into, what is y? Y is equal to 3 into dy by dt is equal to 0. 6 dy by dt is equal to 4 to the 8 to the 16 minus 16. Dy by dt is equal to minus 16 by 6. So, you can divide from 2. 2 8s are 2 3s are minus 8 by 3. Negative sign indicates it is decreasing. That's it. Meters per second. Negative sign indicates it is decreasing. So, therefore, what is the conclusion? The foot of the ladder, therefore, the foot of the ladder is decreasing. The foot of the ladder is decreasing at the rate of 8 by 3 meters per second. That's all. The foot of the ladder is decreasing at the rate of 8 by 3 meters per second. Now, move on to the next problem. Now, integrals. This is very important problem. From integrals, find the integral 1 over root of a square minus x square with respect to x and hence evaluate 1 over square root of 7 minus 6x minus x square. Let I is equal to integral 1 over root of a square minus x square dx. Now, let us take the substitution as put x is equal to a sin theta. So, dx by d theta is equal to a into differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. Therefore, what you will get? Dx is equal to a cos theta d theta. Now, what is x from this? What is x by a? X by a is equal to sin theta. Therefore, theta is equal to sin inverse of x by a. Now, evaluate this. This integral becomes integral 1 over root of a square minus x square, a square sin square theta into dx is a cos theta d theta. 1 over root of a square, take a square common factor, root of a square is a into root of 1 minus sin square theta into a cos theta d theta. A gets cancelled. 1 over root of 1 minus sin square is cos square, square root gets cancelled. We have cos theta into cos theta d theta. Anyway, cos and cos gets cancelled. Integration of d theta is theta plus c. What is theta? Sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse of x by a plus c is the integrated answer. So what we can say, therefore, integral 1 over root of a square minus x square dx is equal to, what is the answer? Sin inverse of x by a plus c. This is the required answer. And further evaluate, what is to evaluate? 1 over, hence to evaluate dx by root of 7 minus 6x minus x square. Convert this to this form. 7 minus 6x minus x square can be minus x square minus 6x plus 7. You can take minus out x square plus 6x minus 7. So, minus of x plus half into coefficient of x is 3 whole square plus constant, again minus half into coefficient of x is 3 whole square. This is minus of x plus 3 whole square minus 7 minus 9. So, that is equal to minus of x plus 3 whole square minus 9 minus 7 is minus 16. So, this can be written as minus of x plus 3 whole square minus into minus 16 can be written as 4 square. So, therefore, this integral can be written as integral 1 over root of 4 square minus x plus 3 whole square into dx. So, 1 over a square minus x square is sin inverse of x by x plus 3 divided by 4 plus c is the integrated answer. That's it. Okay. Now, move on to the next problem. Find the smaller area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 and the line x plus y is equal to 2. So, what is the circle given? X square plus y square is equal to 4 and the line is x plus y is equal to 2. Right. This is the circle and the line. What is to find the smaller area enclosed by the circle? Let us write the circle first. So, this is a circle. This is x axis, y axis, the origin 0, 0. Okay. And what is the line given? So, if you put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 2. The first point is 0, 2. And if you put y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. Then the point is 2, 0. So, here this is nothing but the line will cut the circle. So, at these 2 points. So, the circle will cut the line like this. Okay. What are the points? So, here the points are. So, x is 2, y is 0. This is 2, 0 and x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2, 0, 2. Now, what is required to find the area? Let us call it as A and B. So, this is to be determined. The area is to be determined. Okay. Now, very simple. The area of the circle, area is equal to integral 0 to 2 y dx. What is y here? Integral 0 to 2 y can be written as, what is y square from this? Y square is equal to 4 minus x square. Y is equal to root of 4 minus x square. And what is y from this equation? Y is equal to 2 minus x. So, the area between these two curves. So, that is nothing but, so root of 4 minus x square minus 2 minus x dx. That's it. So, f of x minus g of x. So, this total circle minus this line will give the area between the circle minus this line will give the area enclosed between the circle and the line. Okay. Now, as you know, the integral of root of a square minus x square is x by 2 into root of 4 minus x square, x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus, so a square by 2 is nothing but by 4 by 2 into sine inverse of x by a, x by 2 between the limits 0 to 2 minus, integrate this, minus integral of 2 into dx is x, integral of x is x square by 2 between the limits 0 to 2. That's it. Now apply the upper limit. If you put x is equal to pi of 2, then this becomes 4 minus 4, 0. This is 0. 4 by 2 is 2. Sine inverse of 1. X is equal to 2 by 2 is 1. Sine inverse of 1. And if you apply 0, everything becomes 0. Minus 0. Minus 4 in 2 into 2 is 4 minus 2 square is 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So this is nothing but 2 times sine inverse of 1 by 2. Sine inverse 1 is pi by 2 minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 gets cancelled. The required answer is pi minus 2. That's it. So therefore the required answer is the area is equal to, I will write here. Therefore the area is equal to pi minus 2. So area is equal to pi minus 2 square units. That's it. Very simple and easiest problem. Now move on to the next problem. Now the last problem in this is from differential equation. Find the particular solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus y cot x is equal to 4 cosecant x, where x is not equal to 0 given that y is equal to 0 when x is equal to pi by 2. Now write down the given equation. Given equation is of the form dy by dx plus y cot x is equal to 4x into cosecant x. Comparing with dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. What is p here? P is nothing but cot x. And what is q? Q is equal to 4x cosecant x. Now just find out the integrating factor. Integrating factor is e to the power of p dx. E to the power of integral p. What is p? Cot x dx. Now what is integration of cot x? So integration of cot x is log sin x. E to the power of log sin x. You know e and log gets cancelled. This is equal to sin x is the integrating factor. Now go to the solution. Now therefore the solution is integrating factor into y is equal to integral of integrating factor into q times dx plus c. Now what is integrating factor? Sin x into y. Sin x into y is equal to integrating factor is sin x into what is q? What we have? Q is equal to 4x cosecant x. 4x into cosecant x dx plus c. So this is sin x into y is equal to sin x into 4x. Cosecant x is also equal to 1 over sin x dx plus c. So sin x gets cancelled. Sin x into y is equal to 4 into integration of x dx is x square by 2 plus c. 2 2's gets cancelled. Therefore sin x into y is equal to 2x square plus c. You can stop here itself, or if you want you can divide. So that's it. Now further, what is the condition given? X is equal to pi by 2. When x is equal to pi by 2, y is equal to 0. Substitute here. Sin of x sin 90 into y is 0 is equal to 2 into x square pi by 2 whole square plus c. That means 2 into pi square divided by 4. This is minus is equal to c. 2 2's gets cancelled. C is equal to minus pi square by 2. So therefore sin x into y is equal to 2x square minus pi square by 2. Pi square by 2 is the required answer. That's it. Okay. So hope you followed. So that's all regarding today's session. So that's regarding the 5-marker question. So definitely you will get few questions from this session. That's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you very much.